Hi, welcome to ActionCOACH Portsmouth. I wanted to take a moment today to invite you along to our next Growth Club. What is Growth Club? It's an action-packed day where we're going to do some education in the morning, we're going to do some workshops, we're going to help upskill you as a business owner, and in the afternoon we're going to get crystal clear on what your goals are for the next 90 days. Look at it as a sprint. You've got 3 months. What is it you want to achieve? What are the top goals? What is it you need to do in order to get there? What are the action and activities that's actually going to contribute to making that goal come true? Making the plan work. What are the key performance indicators you're going to assign to this? Now, don't try and answer all these questions right now. That's what we'll do on the day. We'll walk you through step by step to generate a plan that by the end of the day you'll believe will work for you, will achieve the goals you've set, and will move your business forward. Please look at the link below for some more information or reach out to one of the team. I'll speak to you soon.